What's up, creators? Cool here. Ever dreamed of starting your own animated YouTube channel with a recurring character that viewers will love? Today, I'm breaking down how you can do it step by step. Everything from creating your own unique character, coming up with stories, and bringing them to life, to setting up your channel and scheduling consistent uploads. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools to launch your faceless animated channel with a lovable recurring character. Let's go! Step 1. Understand the potential with real examples. Before we dive in, let's look at why creating a recurring character is so powerful. Successful animated channels like Cocomelon and Pencilmation build loyal audiences by creating content around characters their viewers can't get enough of. Whether it's solving problems, teaching lessons, or going on adventures, recurring characters are key to consistent engagement. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to create your own lovable star using AI tools, no experience needed. Have you ever thought about creating a recurring character for your animated channel? What kind of stories would you tell? Share your ideas in the comments. I'd love to see them. Step 2. Create your own recurring character. Creating a character like Max, the detective pup, is easier than you think. All you need is ChatGPT and a simple prompt to get started. Here's how to do it. 1. Use a simple ChatGPT prompt to create your character. Type this into ChatGPT, prompt: I want to create a recurring animated character for a YouTube channel. The character should be clever, adorable, and appeal to kids and families. Give the character a name, personality traits, and a theme, e.g. solving mysteries, exploring magical lands. Suggest 3 potential stories for this character. Example: output from ChatGPT, character, Max the detective pup. Personality: curious, clever, and always ready to help others. Theme: solving magical mysteries in whimsical settings. Stories: 1. Max tracks glowing footprints to find a missing golden bell. 2. Max ventures into a cave to recover a stolen moonflower. 3. Max brings harmony to frogs and fireflies at a glowing pond. 2. Generate endless stories for your character. Once you've created your character, use this prompt to come up with individual story ideas. In the next section, I'll show you how to bring your stories to life with authorityvideos.com. Step 3. Create stunning videos with authorityvideos.com. Now that you've met Max and learned how to come up with your own character, it's time to bring their adventures to life. With authorityvideos.com, you can effortlessly create stunning animated stories using just one simple prompt for each story. The platform takes care of everything, from visuals to animation, so you can focus on your creativity. Let's see how easy it is to create Max's 3 adventures. Demo 1, Max and the Stolen Bell. Prompt: create a 3-scene animated story featuring Max the detective pup solving the case of the missing golden bell. Scene 1. A panicked rooster points to an empty perch where the glowing golden bell used to be. Max tilts his head, holding a magnifying glass, while the barnyard glows softly in the morning light. Scene 2. Max follows glowing footprints through the muddy barnyard to a haystack, where a mischievous raccoon peeks out. The glowing tracks sparkle under Max's curious gaze. Scene 3. Max retrieves the bell, the rooster rings it proudly, and the raccoon sheepishly apologizes. Max wags his tail as the barnyard animals cheer under a golden sunrise. Demo 2. Max and the Missing Moonflower. Prompt: create a 3-scene animated story featuring Max the detective pup recovering the stolen magical moonflower. Scene 1. Max arrives in a glowing meadow where a fairy flutters near an empty stem. The fairy explains that the moonflower has been stolen, leaving the forest in darkness. Max looks determined, holding his magnifying glass under a starry sky. Scene 2. Max follows sparkling flower petals into a shadowy cave, where a curious bat is perched on a rocky ledge, clutching the glowing moonflower. The cave walls shimmer faintly. Scene 3. Max trades a glowing berry for the moonflower, returning it to the meadow. The moonflower blooms, and the meadow glows warmly under the stars. Max smiles as the fairy thanks him. Demo 3. Max and the Mischievous Fireflies. Prompt: create a 3-scene animated story featuring Max the detective pup solving the case of the stolen lily pads. Scene 1. Max arrives at a glowing pond where frogs complain that fireflies are stealing their lily pads. Max looks curiously at the glowing lily pads drifting away in the air as fireflies buzz mischievously. Scene 2. Max uses a glowing net to gently catch the fireflies and asks why they're taking the lily pads. The fireflies explain that they needed a resting spot because the pond has no flowers. Scene 3. Max helps the frogs and fireflies create a shared glowing lily pad area. The frogs and fireflies sit peacefully on the glowing pads as Max smiles, wagging his tail. Step 4. Set up your channel. Once your stories are ready, it's time to set up your channel. Pick a catchy name like Detective Max Adventures, create bright and colorful thumbnails, and organize your videos into playlists for easy binge watching. Consistency is key to building your audience. Step 5. Upload and schedule your videos. Since we've created 3 videos so far, let's head back to authorityvideos.com, follow the same simple process, and create more stories. With just a few prompts, you can produce a month's worth of high-quality videos in minutes, ready to upload and keep your channel thriving. Once you've created your full batch of videos, here's how to upload and schedule them for maximum impact. 1. Batch upload your videos. Upload all your videos to YouTube in one session to save time. 2. Optimize titles and tags. Use catchy titles and keywords like Max solves the missing bell mystery or Detective Max saves the pond. 3. Create vibrant thumbnails. Highlight Max and key elements of each story using bright, engaging visuals. 4. Schedule your videos. Use YouTube's scheduler to set one video to post daily, ensuring your channel remains active and consistent. By creating and scheduling your videos this way, you'll build a steady flow of engaging content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Step 6. Recap and final. And that's how you create a successful animated channel with a lovable recurring character like Max the detective pup. From choosing a theme and crafting stories to setting up your channel and scheduling consistent uploads, you now have everything you need to launch your YouTube adventure. What kind of character would you create for your channel? Share your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more animated storytelling tips. Remember, it's cool to stand out.